Good morning, everyone. We are going to review 1989 AMC8, question number 11. Which of the five T-like shapes would be symmetric to the one shown with respect to the dashed line? Okay, so we have to find which is symmetrical. Symmetrical means both sides will need to be the look the same, right? So that's symmetry. So now look at this one. This T, the top part of this T faces this black thing, right? We have to find something similar. So now you see this is not facing, this is facing, B is facing. So this is facing, this is not facing, this is not facing, this is not facing. So hence B is your answer. Going to the next question. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 2 by 3 into 2 by 1, which is 4 by 3, which is answer option E. Okay, going to the next question. 9 by 7 into 53. Okay, so here if you see in 4 of the options we have moving by 1 decimal point, which means we are multiplying the top, sorry, we are dividing the top number by 10, right? So it's becomes 0.9. You're dividing this by 10. Now I have to divide the bottom also by 10, right? So if I divide by 10, any one of the numbers will be divided by 10. So this will become zero point 0.7. So first number I'm assuming, and the second number will remain the same, 53. Okay, so this is your answer, zero point 0.9 by zero point 0.7 into 53. Everything else is not the same, right? Everything else is different. So A is your answer. We are just dividing the top number and the bottom number by 10. That's all. Going to the next question. When placing each of the digits 2, 4, 5, 6, 9 in exactly one of the boxes of the subtraction problem, what is the smallest difference that is possible? Okay, so for the smallest difference to should be possible, the number on top should be the lowest number and the number at the bottom should be the highest number. Okay, so I'm going to put at the bottom, I'm going to put this highest number first. So I'm going to put 9 and 6 at the bottom. Okay, and at the top the remaining numbers I'm just going to put, make it the smallest number and put it, so it will be 245, 245. Okay, so now if I subtract this, I'm going to get 9 here, and I'm going to get 4 here, and I'm going to get 1 here. That's your answer, C, 14C. Going to the next one. The area of the shaded region BEDC. So BEDC is a trapezoid, right? And what is the formula for area of a trapezoid? It's height into B1 plus B2, which is base 1 by base 2 plus base 2 by 2. So this will be 8 into 10 plus 6 by 2, right? So this is 8 into 8, which is 64, which is answer option D. Okay, going to the next question. In how many ways can 47 be written as the sum of two primes? So first of all, 47 is an odd number. So only odd and even can make odd, right? So odd and odd will become even. Even and even is even. So only if you to get an odd number, you have to add an odd number to an even number. So in this case, we know that, and both of these have to be primes, right? So there is only one even prime, which is 2. So this number can be 2 only. So this number will then become 45, which is not a prime. Correct? So there are no ways of writing this. 0 is your answer. Okay? Going to the next question. The number n is between 9 and 17. The average of 6, 10, and n could be. So first I'm going to take the case as 9. Okay? So this will become 6 plus 10 plus 9 by 3, which is nothing but 25 by 3, which is nothing but 8.xxx. Correct? Now I'm going to take the case as 16, which is my 17, which is my largest number, right? So I'm going to say 17 plus 10 plus 6 by 3. This will become 27, 33 by 3, which is 11. So I need a number in between these two, right? I have only one option, which is 10. Be 10. This is my answer. Because the average has to lie between these two numbers. So this is the answer. Okay. Many calculators have a reciprocal key that replaces the current displayed with its reciprocal. Okay, so 4 will become 0.25. 32 is displayed. Fewest number of times that we get this back. So basically, the reciprocal of x is 1 by x, and the reciprocal of 1 by x is x. So this is one time, this is the second time to get the number back. So answer option is 2. Okay, so it's basically the reciprocal of a reciprocal is the same number. That is what they're trying to ask. So 2 times you have to press the key in the calculator to get the same number back again. Question number 19. The graph below shows two accumulated dollars spent by the cities of government during 1988. For example, about 0.5 million, that's okay. Approximately how many millions of dollars were spent during the summer months of June, July, August? So first you have to calculate at the beginning of June how much was spent. So somewhere here, this is the beginning of June. So I'm going to assume this to be 2.2 because it's closer to 2 and between 2 and 3. And end of August is this. So end of August is somewhere here, right? And this I'm going to assume as 4.7, which is nearest to 5 but between 4 and 5. So the difference between these two is 2.5. So answer is B, 2.5. Going to question number 20. The figure may be folded along the lines shown. Okay, so this is the this thing, and we are going to fold it as a cube. Three number faces come together at each corner of the cube. Okay, so they want three uh, boxes to be touching each other. Then only they'll become a corner. What is the largest sum of three numbers whose faces come together at a corner? Okay, first let's take the sum of three largest numbers here. So 6, 4, and 5. But there's a problem. See, this 6 and 4 will become opposite faces when this cube is folded, right? So they don't get together at a corner. They'll never touch each other. Okay, so this is gone. So 6, 4, 5 is gone. Now, next to 6, 4, 5, then next combination we can have is 6, 3, and 4. Okay, 6, 3, and 4. Let's try this. No, we can take actually 6, 3, and 5. Okay, so now imagine this is closing. Now 5 is going to come at the top. These two will touch 5. Okay, so 6, 3, and 5 is possible. So 6, 3, and 5. 11 plus 3, 14. So D, 14 is your answer.